Hello friends, welcome to my Smooth Editing YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to reverse a video using Premiere Pro. You can see here my timeline has a video. Now I play this video. Now I want to reverse this clip. I create duplicate file. Okay, now right click on your video. Go to speed and duration. Click on this reverse speed. You can set reverse speed percentage here and duration here. Now I don't change anything. Click OK. Now I play these two clips. This is original clip. And this is reverse clip. I think this video is very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. You can watch more Premiere Pro tutorials on our channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.